Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today, I wanted to talk about the Coboo half bamboo, half cotton. This is one of my last purchases I made at Walmart. There was only 3 of this, so I grabbed the 3, and this one had the 3 as well. The reason I went, well, I didn't specially went and bought because I was looking for this yarn, this color, and they didn't. She told me that they only gave her 3 balls of this yarn. Other Walmarts in the surrounded Edmonton area don't carry this yarn. The other yarn is at another location, which that's how I hoarded this. I'm saying hoarding because I've been buying them as soon as I see them. This and this. So I have, and then the white, of course. So I have 5 of the white. I stopped buying because I had to knit and see, or crochet and see how it felt and looked. So, yeah, I bought this, that, this green, and then the white, and then the peach, of course. Most of my hoarding was the peach. The reason I'm coming back to let you know, like, if you're like me and you don't have enough yarn to start something, and then you keep on buying, and then you see other yarn colors as well. This green I really like because I can make leaves or any other stuff if I'm making motifs. That's what I thought, because green is really hard to find in cotton or any other source of yarn to make origami. And I do make octopus for babies, kids as well. I'm not making them anymore until I sell the ones that I have. I think I have over 20 anyways, so that's the reason I bought the green. The reason I went and bought these 2 colors, because if you have been watching my tutorials, you will see that I did a 3-part video on this sweater that I have started. And I just love, love, love how it goes. So I'm almost finishing my 3rd ball. So I know I still have plenty because I have some here and here. I have with that 3, and then I have an IKEA box full as well. I think maybe 8. I don't know. I haven't counted. I don't count. So I'm going to make this as long as I can. Maybe a dress, I don't know. But just wanted to give you the feedback of this beautiful yarn, my review. As this is the first time I've been using this yarn on this dress, and it just goes nice and smooth. And I really, really like it. It does split. On this 3rd ball, it didn't split at all. So I don't know, maybe there was something wrong with that first ball, that when I started the tutorial, it did split. And it just knits up so nicely, as you can see. Oh, I have to go to bed after 12. I try not to stay up late because I get up early. And I just keep on knitting. I shut down the movie. If I'm watching a movie, I finish it. I shut down my laptop because I watch my movies on laptops. And even I'm shutting down my laptop, but I'm still going. And I say, it's 1 o'clock, I have to go to bed. You know, those, everyone's like me, I'm sure they are. But it's like, yeah, it's, what did I do here? It's really, really fun to knit with this particular. So just wanted to go over it. It is made out of I don't know how many strands there, but I haven't counted. But it's nice and shiny, just to show you, because it has bamboo. Okay, let's carry on. I don't want this video to be that long. And there are tons and tons of other colors. If you find it, I would grab them. So last night, I started this, and it's a dream to work with. So stay tuned. I am going to make a tutorial. Not with the black one, of course. I'll pick something here, but I need to figure out how much yarn I need, because I have 5 of this, and I am planning to make a cardigan with this. So coming back to crochet, I know it's black, but still you can see it. Let me just show it to you. The recommending on the label, it says to use a 4mm knitted crochet hook. So I did chain with a 4.5, and I'm crocheting with a 3.5, because I want it nice and tight. Even I'm a tight knitter and a crocheter, but I don't want it loose. But it's really, really good. Even with the 3.5, it's just nice. And just want to show you how it goes. Like, it doesn't split, nothing. I haven't felt anything wrong with this yarn. On the second ball, I did get a couple of knots. I don't know why. The first one, on the third one, I didn't get any knots. So I guess it depends on how they put that ball together. That one had a couple of knots on the ball. And you can't hide cotton nor a bamboo when you're making a knot. Like, you can't felt it or anything. So yeah, I tried to hide it on the sweater that I'm knitting. But this one is really, really good to crochet. So yeah, so I hope you like this review. Just wanted to give you, I wanted to do this for ages. Actually, I have another tool that I bought. I wanted to do a review about it, but kept on postponing. So yeah, I'd also do reviews. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. So I do reviews, I do podcasts, I do yarn hauls, unboxing, and so on. I just wanted to give you my opinion about this beautiful yarn. Like, here in Edmonton, it's really hard to find. If you find it, if I find something different, I grab it. And that's the reason I wanted to come and give you my opinion. You guys take care, and I will see you on my next video. Happy knitting, happy crafting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.